Yeah, I wanted to give a quick video of these two chainsaws I got for sale here, the 3214 and the Mac 3200. Just want to do the cold starts on them just so you can see them get started with a cold start, full throttle, kill switch, full choke, prime it. I go 6 times, usually works good. That's the 3214. You can see it split out a little bit of fuel out of the muffler. It's running just a little rich from my carb setting I got it on. But when you put when you get it, put the bar and chain on it, then you want to fine tune the high and lows for it to your atmosphere. Alright, now the 3200, it normally takes a few more pulls to get going, but it idles just about the same. Like I said, full throttle, full choke, ignition kill. I'll prime them 6 times. Well, that's both the saws though. You got to see the cold starts on them. I hadn't warmed up or nothing. They just that was a full cold start here this morning. Like I said, they take a few pulls to get going, but once they get idling, they're idlers and they're runners. Like I said, once you get them, you want to put the bar and chain on. and give the carbs a proper tune, and you'll have a couple runners here.